if you have a Opel Astra club or a old Opel Astra, of which you have to remove the steering column. I will tell you how. So this is my Opel Astra club, and for removing the steering column, there's this is the steering rack and pinion assembly. And there are two clamps which are held by this one nut and a bolt, and the same thing is there also, one nut and one bolt. You can remove this 1, 2 and 3 easily, but for removing this fourth, it's not that easy because we don't have enough clearance. So what you have to do is you have to unscrew the brake booster and make it loose. So for that we have to remove the scrotal panel, remove the wiper motor assembly, and you will be able to see this too. These are these bushes, rubber bushes. We can just eat it out. As you can see, I can remove them, and they have enough space. You can, as you can see, there's this Allen bolt. So there's this hole through which you can put the screwdriver and loosen the Allen bolts. Make sure you take both of them out, and this are loosened. Then afterwards, what you have to do is you have to come inside. There's this brake paddle. What you have to do is remove this. This is the spring. We have to remove this. As you can, there's this pin which is holding this assembly and the brake paddle. First we have to remove this. You can just insert a tester here and move in that direction, in opposite direction it will come out. And then there's only a simple pin which you can just remove, and after that these two connections are disconnected. This will become free. And you can just move it enough so that you will get enough clearance to remove the nut. You can also remove, it will give you enough clearance that you can pull it towards you and also pull it upwards. And if you have this, it will be great if you have this type of socket which is small in diameter. You can easily fit it in there and unscrew it. Thus you can remove the clamps. And to remove the steering column, what you have to do is again come down here, and you can see this is the connection of steering column. So here is the screw which connects the steering rack and pinion assembly and the steering column. You have to remove this screw, and this part, this can move forward and backward. You have to loosen this, don't remove it, just loosen it. It will come back, and you can remove the steering column and assembly.